Hey man, it's Carter Fluxer, and I like to look at birds. Birds are birds, you know that? They got wings, they got beaks. Most of them have beaks. Some of them have beaks. They got beaks. If you got a beak, you're a bird. If you got wings, you're a bird. Birds that have wings, they can fly. Some of them, not penguins or chickens. Sorry, chicken. You can try to fly, but you still can't. You just can't fly. You can try to fly, but there's no way you can escape the farm. And the chicken wants to escape the farm because he does not want to be plucked his feathers out and be eaten as chicken, fried chicken. But so is the turkey. You're never alone. The turkey we eat too yet, but I get turkeys outside my house. I'm not kidding you. There are turkeys, big turkeys, small turkeys, medium-sized turkeys, baby turkeys. They're somewhere outside my house, and they're turkeys. They're just good looking turkeys. We don't shoot the turkeys because we don't go turkey hunting. We don't know what's hunting season has turkeys. Maybe it's all year round. I doubt it. Deer, rabbits. Uh, do they hunt buffalo and bison? I don't know. They don't hunt horses though. They tame wild horses. So, so yeah, the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the what am I talking about? I want to go bird watching. I really do. I want to go bird watching, and I guess I'm stuck in my beard. Get out of my beard! What is this thing? Okay, I think it's out of my beard. It was like a little um. There was a tiny gnome. No, it. Well, I don't want to talk about it. I really don't want to talk about what's in my beard. What's in Corey's beard? Let's not play that game. It's a game. It's not a game. Shut up. Anyways, guessing what other people have in their beards. I said shut up. We're supposed to be talking about bird watching. I like taking my binoculars and my camera and running outside and looking at birds at the park. But the problem is when you have to go use the restroom or bathroom or whatever, and you have to go poop, and you run to the restroom, and you find out, well, not much, but I mean, people are looking at you. They're not looking at you pooping. Thank God they're not perverts, but I mean, they think you're the pervert because you have the binoculars and the camera, and you're not a pervert at all. You're just a bird watcher. I don't know why they think that in public restrooms, every time somebody walks in with a camera or a binocular, to look, those things that, oh yeah, I see a bird. Well, they think you're a pervert. Now, why is that? You're not a pervert, okay? You're a bird watcher. I'm not trying to set up other hidden cameras. Just shut your mouth. I'm a bird watcher. That's the only thing I'm doing. I'm not spying on people in the bathrooms. That's nasty. And by the way, I don't call bathrooms bathrooms. I call them restrooms. Because you don't take a bath in a public place. Are you? So, oh boy. Having trouble trying to digest macaroni. Anyways, uh, yeah. I guess that's done with. Well, what kind of birds should you look for? Bald eagle. And, really rare birds. I don't know if they're still around because, um, endangered species. So, they're all endangered species because of something that happened. I'm not sure what, but thank God it didn't happen to us. So, bye.